12th standard student. This year we have new syllabus. In that new syllabus we have 4 unit. In first unit, this is depend on prose. In that 8 topics are there in first unit. In second unit, there is the poetry. Also there is 8 poetry in the second unit. In third unit, there is writing skill. There are 6 topics on the writing skill in third unit. In last unit is depend on genre drama. In that 4 dramas are there. Like last year syllabus in 11th standard, we have the 4 unit. First unit was on prose, second was on poetry, third was on writing skill, and fourth was on genre drama. Like that, this year also we have same syllabus like 11th standard. The topics are different. See, in first unit, the first topic, that is 1.1, an astrologer's day. See, icebreakers activity. Discuss with your partner and complete the activity. What are your strengths? See, here has given strengths in column, the table. Why do you feel so? Dream career. See, painting and drawing. Why do you feel so? Can visualize, express. Dream career, commercial artist, cartoonist. We have to write here strengths. What are your strengths? See, your strengths will be swimming. Then why do you feel so? Can visualize. Or dream career, swimmer. If your strength is running, then why do you feel so? Can visualize. Dream career, athlete. If your strength is in teaching, then why do you feel so? In that column you may write can give explanation, nice explanation. Then dream career, teacher or professor. Like that you have to write your strength and why do you feel so, you have to write there, and dream career. Next activity, the scene in a local market of a village or town or city is very attractive. People with a different occupation sell their wares. Discuss with your partner the variety of activities at the local market. See, selling flowers, selling grocery. The scene in a local market of a village or town or city, we can see this picture, someone selling flowers, someone selling grocery. In this way we have to complete that. Second one, that is we may write there selling mangoes, selling bananas. Then you may write there buying vegetables. Some customers are buying vegetables. Someone taking money, someone giving money. Like that you have to write there. Then third, there are certain unreasonable belief among people in our society. Certain common events are linked with superstition. List such events, discuss the superstition linked with them and the means of their eradication. See, in our society we know that there are so many superstitions or blind belief. Here has given example 1, a cat crossing your path. Like that you have to write the superstitions or the blind belief which are in our society. Like so don't step out from the home on full moon. This is also superstition. Then a black cat, especially black cat crossing your path. This is also superstition or the blind belief. Then doing work, good work on full moon day. This is also superstition. So drinking waters with a crack glass. This is also superstition. There are so many superstitions in our society. So we have to write there